Hello, everyone, and welcome to another live stream. My name is Ricky, and I'm going to show you how to reinstall Windows 11. If your Windows installation gets deleted for whatever reason, if you accidentally downloaded a virus, if you did if you accidentally deleted system files, whatever, it yeah, basically anything can happen. Anyways, I have a USB drive right here. I'm going to go ahead and plug that into my computer. It is now plugged in. You're going to open up this website. Hold on. Uh, Microsoft.com/en-us/software-download/Windows 11. You're going to come down to create Windows 11 installation media. You're going to click download now, and you're going to hit save. Now, make sure the USB drive you have is blank because the because any files you have on it will be overwritten. So I'm gonna go into my USB, make sure it is empty, which it is. Perfect. Gonna go into my downloads. I'm gonna double click it, hit yes on the UAC prompt, and I'm gonna be right back. I have to make a cut here and go do something. I will be right back. Alright, so I am back. Sorry about that. Anyways, um, so you will notice this terms and conditions page. Go ahead and hit accept. It'll say getting a few things ready. So use recommended settings. I live in the US, so that's fine. I want to reinstall Windows 11. That's fine. So yeah, make sure you use recommended options. That's the best option. So yeah, we're just gonna hit next, USB drive, next, USB, whichever drive you have. You can select whichever one. I only have one plugged in right now, so yeah. And once again, it gives you this warning. The files on their USB drive will be deleted. To keep these files, back them up now to another saved location. My USB is already empty, so I don't need to worry about that. Next, and it's gonna download Windows 11. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to pause my recording and I will be right back. And making a progress update, we are at 53%. Also, don't mind the music you hear in the background. I'm watching a video on my phone, so yeah, that's why that's playing. But yeah, we are at 56%. I will pop back in once this hits fully complete. So yeah, see you guys then. Alright, and we are at 95%, so it is pretty much done downloading. So yeah, 97, 98, 99, and it is verifying downloads. And it is creating the media now. So I will pop back in once this hits 50%. So yeah, we're gonna pause the recording now. Alright, and 50%, creating the Windows installation media. Now it's 51. Just want to make a progress update. Now I'm gonna pause again, and we'll be right back once this hits 95. Alright, be right back. Alright, and popping back in, we have the progress update is at 96%, so it's almost done. Yes, it does take a while. And to reinstall Windows, yes, that the current YouTube 6 minutes, but yeah, it took a lot longer than 6 minutes to create the media. It takes more like 20 minutes. I'm just I just paused the recording for the sake of time. And reinstalling Windows, yeah, um, we're definitely gonna have to see how yeah how long that takes. Anyways, it's creating the media has pretty much finished. So yeah, um, yeah, yeah, ready. So we can go ahead and hit finish. Setup is cleaning up before it closes, and yeah, that's part one of how to reinstall Windows, creating the media. All right, so I will see you guys in part two. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you guys at part two.